Here we are again, and we are moving on to the Ocelot. Why? Well, because there was really only one sound, but it was probably the coolest one. It's the zombie sound. How do you make the zombie sound? Well, first you have a brain fart. And then you fully embrace that you've turned into a zombie. Alright. Biggest question to always start with. Is this a mouth sound or a nasal sound? The big giveaway in this video, obviously, is that the Ocelot's mouth is closed while it's making this. So we know this is a nose sound. So let's start with the hum. But theirs is more raspy. So you're going to relax your throat a little. This is very ticklish. But yeah, when you're humming, you don't realize it, but you've actually tightened your throat fairly well to go, I want you to relax it. Once you've figured out how to relax it to make that raspy sound, now move your tongue around and change the shape of the chamber in your mouth to change the sound. I'm doing a higher pitch in there, and I'm trying to figure out how I'm doing it myself. But that's the thing is, your mouth is your mouth, and my mouth is my mouth, and our mouths are closed, so you don't know what I'm doing with my tongue, and I don't have any kind of magic X-ray vision to show you what I'm doing, so let's all just fool around with our tongues and mouths, making weird-ass sounds together. Alright? So, start with the hum. Drop the tongue a little and relax to get the hissy breath sound. And then you're going to move your tongue up and about, and so you're also changing the focal point of your friction. So we're going to start low, and then we'll go high. Don't forget to breathe. Everybody, don't forget to breathe. That's all I ask. If you open your mouth, you're going to get more of a wet sound because when you've loosened your throat and doing the you are kicking up mucus and spit and stuff. It's not the best thing to do. But in the name of creepy ass sounds, you're going to do some creepy ass stuff, alright? Let's try it. Obviously, I don't recommend doing this one for too long, because the sound is you rasping your throat. It's not a nice one to do for your throat. Self-care, remember that. Okay? Hopefully, you can now recreate the Ocelot, aka zombie or demon sound. So, like and subscribe and comment if this was helpful or not, and as always,